All right, guys, so I got the heads back, machined. I already cleaned this side off. So what I did was I took this drill with these little, I call them rubber fingers, and you just drill and clean off the surface. Then brake clean it, wipe it down. Now I'm assembling this head. I had to take the cam gear off. Going to put that back on and then put the head in the car, and it should be good to go. All right, so I got the heads on. I'm cleaning the intake right now. I got the timing belt on. Pretty much all I gotta do is for the intake, power steering pump, AC, intercooler pipes, and oil and coolant, and it's pretty much good to go. All right, guys, so motor's all put back together. I gotta get oil and an oil filter, and I'm just gonna use water as coolant. So we're going to AutoZone real quick just to grab some liquids in a can. Gonna put some coolant. Hand me that 10 mil right there.
Knocking mad. Dude, stop. It's gonna grenade right here.
Just needs a little bit of oil moved around.
No, go listen to this in the engine bay. Oh my, dude.
It'll be fine. Probably just needs a little bit of, extra lube, and it needs to run for a little bit.
You better start searching for a new bottom end.
That might just be the lifters, because it was all fucking machined and everything, and they cleaned it all off. It's just super dry.
Oh, I guess.
Like nothing's lubed, you know what I mean?
It just sounded really, really, really bad on startup.
Yeah. Still sounds pretty bad. Show come around. I got faith in you.
Are you gonna hit boost?
I'm just gonna grab it on the burner. The oil should circulate a little bit. I think it's literally just the lifters.
Yeah, sounds maybe like mountain.
Because remember when I did the motor first? When I put the motor in and it was really ticky? Remember when we did the valve with Damien? And Damien's like, dude, this thing sounds fucked. And then it quieted down.
I guess.
It's because the heads were cleaned so well that there was no, oil on it. You know what I mean?
Sticking in there?
No, when you fucking brake clean the shit out of a head, it's dry, bone dry. It's because it's bone dry and the oil needs to just recirculate. I might be just chatting shite. It might blow up when I take it down the road, but it feels pretty good.
To do? You should do a pull.
Yeah, I'll do a little pull.
At least blow it close to home. If it does blow, knock on wood.
This motor.
Is it?
Yeah.
You might as well launch it or something.
good.
Dude, it's like mad front wheel drive kinda.
Yeah, and it soots like.
Oh fuck, it's burning my eyes. Oh no. Oh, he's trying to pop it. Maybe it might not blow.
No, it's gonna pop. It was also overheating.
Oh jeez.
Like on the road. But it boosts perfect now. Like, it doesn't lean out, nothing. But it overheats and it's knocking.
It might not pop from like beating on it though.
I mean, that was pretty.
That's as much as you really can unless you're doing donuts for a long time.
I feel like we gotta go like street race people and like literally launch it at red lights.
Oh, you're gonna blow everything. The trans, the diff, the
Dude, this
engine.
trans is stout. This fucking thing's stout, dude. This ain't no fucking WRX trans, I'll tell you that much. If I did that in an 02 Rex, grenaded. First try, grenaded. But yeah, I think maybe it just needs to run. I'll just let it run out back. It'll fucking figure its life out.
AJ, are you going in?
No?
What are you, on the receiving end?
All right, Jazzy, we need your help, man. Kind of burned your
I can't even go in there with I can't even see.
Dude, that fucking stinks.
Oh my god, who's actually coming?
Someone get in the fucking thing, dude. I'll hook that thing clean out. But the RV's getting fucked.
You gotta shove your end out and give it to AJ. Yes, help this, help this. Watch out, don't bust the window and shit on AJ. Knowing your ass. Yes. Wait, snag. Ready? Oh, wait, stop. Here, lift this up right here, gently. Ready, wait, go. Shot back.
Oh, wait. I don't even know if I can untie this.
Terrible experience.
You look like Kenny.
I think I have like up all the refrigerant off the floors.
Yeah, I threw paper towels down.
Not bad in here now. I put that there for now.
Yeah, that's not a bad spot for it, actually.
Cleaning up. The RV is gonna be nice in about 4 minutes.
Table got a little fucked in the process.
I feel like we could extend that back again.
I was trying to pull down on that rod. I don't know.
We
what
need
the
two
fuck.
people. Someone's got to hold the
Yeah.
table still, and someone's got to pull the rod.
Yeah, but couch is cleaned up. Those are cleaned up. I did cab. I vacuumed the whole fucking thing. You know, I took the spare out, put it back in. Obviously we'll lay it flat or whatever when the time comes. Bedroom, I did the whole carpet. I brought my shit home to wash it. And I'll bring it back. Yeah. And well, anyways, we have this open.
We'll
so-
make good use of that space.
Yeah, we weren't gonna use the
fridge. We
anyways.
never have. We always use the cooler anyway.
Yeah, so this is good. Yeah, it's all clean. We're pretty much ready to go. Lock City prep, technically. This is fucking bullshit.
So, second hole of the day, my buddy Jordan gave me a driver, and now I don't have a driver.
You're right off.
Can't take this guy anywhere. I know.
All right, guys, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Also, go check out our merch. We got the Ganj, we got the Scran. Everything's in the description, so check that out, boys. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.